and welcome to How To For You. Today I'm going to show you a common problem that can happen when you have a kitchen faucet sink that just doesn't turn on. So this is basically when you have pushed open the faucet and no water has come out. The first thing I would suggest, I know it seems quite obvious, but making sure that all of your lines for the water are open, so turning them to the left, and it seems like nothing has happened. So I'm going to show you a quick trick here on what you can do in order to fix that. So what you'll need to get is something called a faucet aerator. So this basically sits up underneath this part here, and it does unscrew, and essentially it just gets clogged over time, and you'll just want to unscrew the old one and put the new one in. I'll show you how to do that right now. So what you'll first do is you're going to want to make sure the water is off, and then you're going to want to unscrew the old one. Now to confirm that is what's blocking it, and you just want to make sure you do this, because if not it could be another problem. But then you turn the water on. So you do see that the water's coming on here. So now I'm going to screw this back in. And I'm going to take my new one. I'm going to twist it on. And as you can see, the water is now working. This is a quick trick and workaround. I would say that you should definitely try this out if your faucet's ever having any issues. If it continues and the problem persists, I would investigate further and then probably go down the plumbing route. I also just wanted to mention that some of these faucet aerators aren't like mine where they're on the end of this piece here. Sometimes on older versions you'll unscrew one of the pipes here and it'll be located here. So definitely look around and make sure you find where your faucet aerator is. Hopefully this helps. Please like and subscribe.